Today is not a super special day, but we are going to go work on the Audi and we may have an oil change in today's video. Look at that, guys. Even the dog is excited for today's video, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and get on the road. So, probably not the safest thing I've ever done is tried to vlog while holding an SLR and driving at the same time. Welcome back to my channel. I am Nate. It is a absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful day to be vlogging today. I might seem a little bit high-strung when it comes to vlogging. I'm not very good at it yet. The whole goal of my YouTube channel is to try to become better. It's to improve myself, to get myself out there, not necessarily for you guys, but to get myself out of the box, how I think, how I do things. I'm typically a very, very shy and introverted person, so I really want to kind of become more outgoing through this whole process of having a YouTube channel. I definitely want to learn how to get better at editing and actually producing videos and content for you guys. That's what my channel is all about. Unique and high quality content for you. Let me know if you haven't already in the comments below what kind of content you guys are looking for, what you want to see. Please like my videos, they really help me out, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, I'm super excited to be here. I'm super excited to be vlogging today. This, in a way, is an Audi vlog part 2, not necessarily part 2, probably part 1.5. And that's because if I have some time, I'm going to work on the Audi just a little bit, probably move it around. Honestly, guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to solution the problem today, but hopefully in the near future, we can get to solutioning what our problem with the vehicle could be. One looks at you so funny when you drive by with the camera pointed right in your face. Why could that be? I mean, so my buddy is also changing his driver's side half shaft on his 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm going to be changing my oil, and then we're hopefully going to be moving the Audi back into the shop or jacking it up where it's at to check on the starter and the ignition solenoid. So anyways, wish us luck because I'm really gonna need it with this car. I will probably never buy an Audi again, but more on that to come, guys. Well, guys, we are here in my buddy's shop for the oil change. As you can see, the F-150 barely fits in the door. He's super nice. He's super nice to let me use his grandpa's shop to do this oil change. I know that we just rolled out the Audi. In fact, here are all of the parts from that job. Of course, I've still got all my tools. He's got his tools down here and our table with a whole bunch of stuff as well. This truck looks so good. It's definitely my dream vehicle. It needs washed, so excuse all of the dirtiness. It's been in absolute chaos lately with the snow that is falling. Yes, in May, snow that has been falling in Wyoming. The roads were very slick on my way to work this morning to the office, and this truck just looks so good. And now I'm going to actually let it sit for about 10 minutes. I'm going to do 2 different videos. One, teaching you guys how to change your oil on an F-150 if you have a truck like this, and of course this video with this vlog. I'm going to do it quickly, and I'm going to teach you guys how you can save a lot of money on your oil changes and do it yourself. So here we go. Alrighty, guys, so today for the oil change, you're going to need about 7 quarts of 5W20. You're also going to need a premium oil filter. Today I'm going to be using a Motorcraft. That's just the OEM filter on it. You might consider using a Bosch, a Wix, or maybe a Napa Gold, something like that. Buy oil filters in bulk. I'm only paying about $4.80 per filter right now, so that's half price. And with a pack of 12, I'm set for 36,000 miles on this truck. It's very toasty right now, and this is on very tight. Apparently too tight. Oh my hell, I never put these on that tight. Sure, yeah. Let's do the little breaker bar. So we've got the new oil filter up there, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the plug in now, and we'll refill her with oil. Alrighty, oil change done. Still dinging. Okay, oil change done. Now I am pulling the truck out of the garage so that my buddy can put his car in the garage, and we're going to do a half shaft on that. I'm pulled out far enough. The Audi is over there hiding. We don't burn the garbage, in case you're wondering, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So, whoa. I hate these bumpy roads. Alright guys, so it got too late. I didn't film very much of Corey's half shaft, but we're not done for it, so there's coming up in another vlog finishing Corey's half shaft and whatnot, maybe talking about his Pontiac a little bit. I'm on a really rough dirt road right now, vlogging like an idiot in the middle of the night, pitch black, as you just saw in the last clip of me driving. I'm going home for the night, and yeah, my camera card got filled up, which is why I didn't really vlog too much. I just shut my light bar off because there's someone coming. And so unfortunately I didn't vlog very much of what we did do, but practically he didn't have the right size bolt, so we couldn't finish. It's 9:30 and we're just gonna probably finish tomorrow. After work, I get off at 5, he gets off at 3:30 to 5, so it's gonna work out perfectly. Of course, he lives like 15 miles away, so I've got a little bit of a commute going back. That's just how things are in Wyoming. So back to me vlogging like an idiot in the middle of the night, driving in the dark. Not something that I would highly recommend that you do, but since I'm practically the only truck out here and I'm going like 40 miles an hour, I'll probably be fine. You'll notice every time I vlog, I always look past the camera, simply because obviously I'm going to pay attention to where I'm driving. But I do this for you guys. I do it to improve myself, like I talked about earlier in the video. I guess this video is a little bit about why I do YouTube. Of course, I filmed an oil change video today with the FX4. I really hope it helps you guys out. Again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, go ahead and comment in the description of this video what you guys want to see from me, what you want to see from my channel. There's a car coming again. So I just pulled into our yard for the night. It is 9:50, that's right, 10 before 10. It's super late, I'm super tired, it's after work. It was a great day today. I hope everyone had an awesome day. I hope your year is going as great as mine. I just started my internship, so my video schedule is gonna be kind of off again, but I am gonna continue regular uploading. I've hopefully put up a few videos before this video, and I've got some more great videos for you guys coming up. With that said, I hope everything's going great. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Next level.